First time ever, the Professional Bull Riders Global Cup is going to be held in America.
AT&T Stadium is being transformed as we speak, and our own Madison Sawyer gives us a look at the experience that fans can expect.
Well, right now I'm standing inside the PBR experience here at Texas Live. It's one of the places you can experience the fan zone as part of the Global Cup for the PBR that's happening this weekend at AT&T Stadium. Joining me are two of the bull riders that you can see ride this weekend. Edgar Durazo representing Team Mexico and Tanner Byrne representing Team Canada. Edgar, tell me a little bit about what makes the World Cup such a unique event for the PBR.
Oh, it's something very impressive and amazing. There's an event that we look forward to be there because that's the only one that we ride as a team, and we're really proud of his country. So representing your country and hold that flag with you like that is something that you don't feel you don't feel it very often.
Yeah, usually it's an individual event where you're just trying to stay on 8 seconds, but now you're representing your team. You've been riding bulls for over a decade, Tanner. What are some of the injuries that you've sustained over the years?
Yeah, it's a tough sport. There's a lot of injuries that come along with it, a lot of bumps and bruises. Every time you get on, you're sore, definitely. Some of the major ones that we get in this sport, I've tore every muscle in my groin, broke numerous bones. I guess I wouldn't even want to go back and try to figure it out.
You probably couldn't even make a list at this point. So you have to stay on 8 seconds to ride a bull in the PBR. So how hard is it to ride a bull for 8 seconds? Well, I'm going to find out. But not only that, guys, y'all are going to teach me how first, but I'm going to be competing against this guy, Rowdy from the Dallas Cowboys. So who can stay on the longest? I think I can. We'll see in just a second. Okay, first things first. So what are the rules of bull riding?
So you're going to jump up here, sit on the back of them, squeeze with your legs, hold on with one hand and put your other hand in the air, and don't touch them with your free arm.
All right, and Edgar, best piece of advice for hanging on for 8 seconds?
Oh, just hold them tight and stay out front.
Okay, guys, here we go. All right, Rowdy, clock starts now.
Oh, that is looking pretty good right now. Pretty good form.
Uh-oh, the bull's speeding up.
Oh, go ahead, Rowdy. Look at this. Uh-oh. Hold on tight.
Oh, he made it. 8 seconds. Oh, yay.
Time starts now. All right, Maxie, hold on tight there.
Uh-oh. How am I doing, guys?
Turn down. Hold tight, man.
Did I make it? Did I make it?
You made it.
8 seconds.
All right, so Madison, after that performance, we're going to see you on Team USA?
No, guys, I'm not. I don't know if you caught that, but my little bit of grace in my dismount or lack thereof, I think, is a telltale sign that I do not need to be bull riding. I'll leave that to the professionals this weekend. So they'll be hopping on big guns this weekend. You can buy tickets again at the AT&T Stadium ticket office. Tickets are as low as $10, guys, so you can get all sorts of an action-packed weekend for so cheap, $10. And you can also participate in the fan experience. That's what's happening at Texas Live, and it's free all weekend. There you can catch many bull riders or some bullfighting that's going to be going on. There's also going to be some Native American dances. So there's all sorts of things happening. Again, free activities at Texas Live starting tomorrow, and then the big show at AT&T Stadium both Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, the PBR is a great event. It's fun at AT&T Stadium. I really enjoy it, and that was priceless, Madison.
Good.
And I have to say, better you than us, because I could have held on that one.
Did you have your boot on the bull's head at one point?
I think she did.
I think she did.
It was a fantastic
I think I was trying to get off. I don't know.
Yeah, I gave you a 10. I gave you 10.
Got 10s.
Thanks, Madison.